good afternoon. Welcome back again to this edition. In this edition, guys, I want to talk about when there is a scenario where you want to do a test, accessibility testing with Cypress-Axe, but then you just want to see the issues, but you don't want tests to fail. Because up until today, we've just been seeing all when accessibility issue occurs and we want them to fail. So quickly, let's go and see that scenario. Still that same project that we've been using. So if you look at this project now this project now has a GitLab pipeline, isn't it? So we just quickly see what this project is about. So I'm just going to get back out and then do ls-la and open the entire repository really, so you can kind of see what the entire repository look like. So let's open it up here and you can see. So the last thing we looked at was just this pipeline, wasn't it? So and if you look here, you can see that there's a GitLab pipeline and the basic project setup really, TypeScripts that we set up here. You can kind of go through other videos. That same project is what I have here on a VS Code. So let's begin today to talk about just like when test fails, you just want to like allow test shouldn't really fail, but just log. So you can just go to the log and see things, at least so that the pipeline can be green. So let's get in. So let's call this like logs concept really, probably just, these are just random names we've been given to it. So let's go here and create the test. So maybe I can just call it logs again, .cy.ts. And again, just the same test from everyone else. So I'm just gonna probably like grab one of the tests here and just probably just use this one. So I'll just do Control A, Control C, and put it in this one. So once I put it in here, I'll just like delete some of these things. So here you can still maintain this name, but just make sure this one is like a specific naming convention. So what I'll do, I'll just like delete this one so quickly so you can see, and I'm going to delete this one and just give it a cool name. So let's say only logs messages or message or log violation. Let's say log violation while allowing the test to pass, or the test to pass. This scenario occurs probably just when, as I said before, like you just want things to pass on a pipeline, but you also want to be picking those issues, because when the test fails, it will break the pipeline really. Or maybe you guys want to go and fix this issue over time, isn't it? So you don't want it to be failing, but you just want it to be reporting what is failing and what is not. So let's say this, so an example here again, just do cy.check check 11a 11y, and in this option here, obviously again for TypeScript, what I'm supposed to have is, I'm just going to have like here, I'm supposed to have null, but for TypeScript here, you're just going to do undefined here. And when you do undefined, actually let's do it this way so you can, it will look really nice. So undefined, and I'm going to just do that, and again I'll just copy paste this thing. It says undefined is going to be 3, and after this undefined, then the last bit here would be true, just true. So this true here as the last overloading of this method shows that you want to just allow logging. You can go in here really and then go and check what are these the parameters and the option it takes. But when you go back, if you don't have time for that, if you go back here and see the overload here, you can see this one says skip failure boolean is true or false, isn't it? And then all of these ones here, we're not really interested in it at all. The context, the X context object, these are the things that can go in. Second one here is the option, and the third one is the violation check, which we've seen anyway. We don't want to look into any of these. What we are interested here at the minute is just the skip failure, but just run the test. So let's go and run this test. So what do we need to do? We go to pipeline, we go to command line, just get into that accessibility test, and just run this test. So here npm run, again Cypress debug, and here we are. So this spins up. We can do it on this or Chrome, whatever. Let's try Chrome today. Chrome comes up. All of this, I'm just going to like collapse all of it and just go to the logs. This is the one that we want to look at today. Let's have a look. So essentially all the tests will pass, will go green though, not pass, but you can see the accessibility issues will be here. Again, just let me repeat, if you need to do like a detailed accessibility test, probably just try tools like Microsoft Insight, but Cypress-Axe, I found, in my opinion, is a tool that helps you to at least have some form of automated accessibility test if you want to have something on the pipeline. So that's what this is about. Thank you.